if we wanted to edit this workspace, we go to Window, and along here we can see all the things which are ticked are the ones which are showing. So we've got application frame, we've got options, and we've got tools, and we've got layers. So a lot of these things which are shown here have been ticked. But let's say we wanted a navigation window, which will make it much easier for us to navigate the image. So we can click Navigator. So then we can grab the navigator and we can drag it and we can drop it in. So now, as well as the items which are already there, we now have a navigator. So looking at these different workspaces, we've already learnt that each workspace has particular tools. So in order to save my workspace with my navigation item that I added, I create a new workspace. So from there I just come down to here and select New Workspace. I'm just going to call it Nav Graphic Web. So Nav Graphic Web is my new workspace. So I'm just going to click Save. And if we come back to the Workspace button here and just click on this drop down arrow, we can see that Nav Graphic Web is our new workspace. So that's a way to adjust the workspace that you're working with, add different elements that you want, and then save it. Then you've got your own customized workspace.